Now let's open this parcel. This is actually from not from a dealer, it's from our one of our customers. He wanted to sell some items to to me. So I said okay. And if you are opening up, we have like this. Inside nothing more. So let's quickly open this also. So let's quickly get a scissor. So he have mentioned that this is a 1 rupee bundle. And inside we have a bundle of year 2019. You can see here 2019. So this is a complete 100 serial bundle from starting from 901 and ends at I think 4000. Yeah, 39 300 like. Let's quickly check what we have other than this. And here we have, he has written something, peel off the tape here, just remove the staple, do not cut. He have written do not cut. Okay, let's quickly open up. So done for now. Let's check what we have here is. Inside we have do not cut with sharp object, just remove the tape by hand. Okay. So inside we have is 500 rupees old issue. He mentioned that it is all UNC in condition. Let's quickly check. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 notes, all UNC in condition. So this is the second item we have in this parcel, and let's quickly open the other one. So this is the another thing what we have. So let's quickly open. So inside this is empty, and this we have. Okay, that's it. And this is a PMG graded Thailand banknote, but this is a sample. You can see here written sample. They have not given grade, but it's also a collectible item. So these three items are what he wanted to sell to me. 10 500 rupees old note, one PMG graded sample collection, and one 1 rupee bundle. So that's all, guys. Hit the like button. Hope you all like this video.